Mom, you're the light of my life. You are the one who makes troubles be gone. You always seem to know what's wrong. You are the one who taught me life, what's right and not to fight. To believe in myself no matter what anyone says. Thank you can never be enough for what you have done. Richly blessed is how I feel. You are the words of all my songs. You are my love, my life, my mom.
एक छोटा सा शब्द, तुम धरा पर घने वृक्ष की शीतल छाया सी, सतत प्रवाहमान जीवन की उज्जवल पथ प्रदर्शक सी, निरंतर बहती ममतामयी धारा सी, तेरी महिमा अपरंपार, तेरी महिमा अपरंपार.
Mom, you have been the most important part of my life. I will always remember the special bond that we have shared for years through laughter, worries, smiles and tears. Thank you for raising me up so well. I wish you all the love and happiness in the world.
माँ की ममता कौन भुलाए, पल पल तेरी याद सताए. कौन भुला सकता वो प्यार, किस तरह बताऊं कैसे कट रहे ये बार. तू बैठी है मुझसे दूर, गले तुझे लगाऊं कैसे. माँ तेरी ममता का आंचल पल पल तेरी याद दिलाए. मम्मा, थैंक यू सो मच, आपने मुझे ये लाइफ दी.
God cannot be present everywhere. That's why He created mother. Being a mother is not so easy. She has to become a nurse, doctor, cook, teacher, all at the same time. To hear that one word, mom, ammi, ai, mom, we call her by different names, but feelings and emotions are the same. एक माँ अपने बच्चों के कितने नखरे उठाती है. On this Mother's Day, I would like to tell Appa, I love you and thank you for everything.
Thank you, Aili, for your unconditional love, care and support. I also thank you for being the first teacher, first friend and the first guide. I thank you for being such a wonderful blessing in my life. Love you, Ai.
She is the most sincere and faithful friend to me. She is the only one who is always ready to help me and solve my problems. I cannot describe my mother in words, but it can be felt. Mother is a symbol of love and sacrifice. I love my mother and mother-in-law for being with me every time.
I'm so fortunate and blessed to have a mother like you, who loves me so deeply and unconditionally. Thank you, Ma, for always being there for me. You are the reason for my smile and happiness, and I know that I am the reason of twinkle in your eyes. All I can say is thank you so much. I love you so much.
I would like to show my appreciation for all the love and care that you have shown to me since the day I was born. And thanks for being there not only when I needed you the most, but always showering me with the love and support at all times.
My mom is special to me because she loves me, listens to me when I need to talk and always knows how to cheer me up. And all that she does makes her special to me. In my childhood, every time I fell and I got injured, the first word that came out from my mouth was "Mummy," mother, because I always knew that my mother is there for me in every situation.
You are always my beginning, because you are how things begin for me. When I look at you, I'm looking at the purest love I'll ever know. Nobody in this world can take your place. Thank you for everything, and I hope that someday I could be at least half the person you are. Love you, and thank you for being my mother.
It is all that I am or ever wish to be, and I owe it, all of it, to you. So, happy Mother's Day to all the amazing and authentic support to everyone's life.
रुके तो चांद जैसी है, चले तो हवाओं जैसी है, वो माँ ही तो है जो धूप में भी छाँव जैसी है. मैं अपनी दोनों माँओं का धन्यवाद कहना चाहूँगी. एक जिन्होंने जन्म दिया और एक मेरी मासी जिन्होंने पढ़ा लिखा कर एक काबिल इंसान बनाया, एक खूबसूरत वर्तमान दिया.
मेरे लिए वो दुनिया की खास हस्ती है, मेरे लिए वो दुनिया की खास हस्ती है. उनके कदमों में तो मेरी सारी कायनात बसती है, उनके कदमों में तो मेरी सारी कायनात बसती है. सख्त राहों में भी आसान सफर लगता है, सख्त राहों में भी आसान सफर लगता है. ये मेरी माँ की दुआओं का ही असर लगता है, ये मेरी माँ की दुआओं का ही असर लगता है.
The world is changing every day. But what has not changed ever is my mother's love. Unconditional, instinctual, and forever. Her everyday prayers for me follows me everywhere. They have clung to me all my life. We both have been the best friends from heart and soul in solitude. And probably that's the reason I find her shoulders the strongest to lean on. Lots of love to my first love in life, my mom. Happy Mother's Day, Mama.